I know masculinity and femininity are social constructs, I totally get that. But this beard is making me want to go outside and chop wood and forage for berries and stuff, but then I hear myself speak and I just want to go shopping and look at butterflies. Yes. Okie dokie, so the first step for this makeup is going to be to pop on a plain latex ball cap. It's super important really because nobody wants a hairy cupcake. Which couldn't sound more like a euphemism if I tried. Ew. So I finished off the look by popping in 2 sclera contact lenses, one that's... So I finished the look off by popping in 2... Oh my gosh. So I finished the look off by popping in 2... So I finished off my look by popping in 2 sclera contact lenses, one completely black and one black with a white... No. I had one job. One. So I finished off the look by popping in 2 sclera contact lenses, one completely black and... No! So I finished off the look by popping in 2 complete... No. God damn it! So I finished off the look by popping in... You know what, I'm just going to say contact lenses. I popped in 2 contact lenses. Done! Next.
Ah! Oh! Oh, little friend. Oh my gosh. There you go. Oh, it matches my hair! Ah!
So the first package that we're going to open is astonishingly big. And who doesn't love a big package? No. Take 2.
It's a cupcake!
Oh no. Oh, let's sneeze.
Bless you.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh, it's so hard to sneeze in all this. Oh god. Oh my god, that was horrible. That was horrible. Let's not do that again.
Cool.
Life is like a hurricane here in Duckburg. It's the same tempo. Race cars, lasers, aeroplanes. It's a duck blur. I need to get out more. I really need to get out more. And yeah, so until next time, bye bunnies!
Oh, I don't know when it's going to go off. Hang on. Oh. Ah! That's when it goes off. That's when it goes off, yeah. There you go. Oh no, my drawer was open. Damn it. So what, we guess James is dead and Sarah, we guess she escapes? I have no idea. Oh. Oh, there.
Okie dokie, so the first step for this makeup is of course going to be to pop.
Pop. 3, 2, wait. 1, hold on. Wait, what? I think I broke it.
Okay, so you also might know... Hello. Okay, next PO Box video. There's a fly. What is that? Oh god, what is that? It's really big. Oh, it's gone.
It's really hard to turn. I'm trying to think of a way I can do it so it doesn't hurt me. If I do it, there's so many innuendos. Way too many. No, I'm above that. I'm mature. This massive, great big thing that I hold in my hands is about to go off. I just want to make sure that it doesn't unload on my face or in my hair. So, let's go.
Okie dokie, so after enough layers, it'll look something like this. Honestly, I think it kind of looks like a really angry octopus. Like if I cover my mouth, it's just like a really angry octopus. Oh my god.
It's no use. We're out of fuck. We're out of fucks, Dave. We're out of fucks. Okay.
Okie dokie, so the first step for this makeup is to be a... No, it's going to be a blah 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 blah. What? I feel like if I ran that backwards, it would sound like actual English. What the fuck?
Oh. What's beeping? Ah. Okay. Whew. Good start to the game. Let's go. My ears.
Okay, so it doesn't need to be neat at all. We just need that rough shape mapped out. And also, I kind of just realised how much this looks like Bunny Frankenfurter. Now I need to add that to my list of makeups to do in the future. Yes. So then, taking my sharp angle brush. So then, I'm then gonna take my sharp. I'm then going to take my shark I'm then going to take my shark angle brush and shark? I'm then going to take my shark angle brush. I'm then going to take my sharp. Sorry. Oh God, I'm getting angry at myself now. Sharp. I'm then going to take my shark. I'm then going to take my shark angle. Sharp. I'm then going to take my sharp angle brush. I'm then going to take my sharp angle brush and I've completely forgotten what I'm going to do with it. Oh, the eyes. Bugger.
Oh, what is that? Oh God. Oh, it's confetti. Fucking hell, I thought a moth just flew down on me. A little piece of confetti just flew out the window. Whew. I have reflexes. No, I don't. Oh.
Okie dokie, so for the first step, we're going to be applying our foundation. So I'm not going to be blocking out my eyebrows or pop on a ball cap because we don't need to. Why did I even bother saying it? I didn't want to do it.
Oh my God. Ugh. Enough. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this one's really stiff.
And that's that. Lieutenant Sam, Dr. Dave, it's been an honour serving aboard this vessel with the two of you. Ow, I smacked my monitor. So then, on to the super fun part, which is going to be the dots growing the brain work, please? English? There it is. Okay, cool, good. We're good. Whew. Oh, it worried me then. Reboot.